Okay, we had a no heat call yesterday on an 18-year-old Carrier gas pack, and the customer has elected to repair the unit. I suggested that it was at the end of its life expectancy and that it was not necessarily worth that amount of money to repair it. For whatever reasons beyond my decisions and control, of course, the customer has decided to have us repair the unit. So we're going to put an induced draft assembly on it. I did open the unit up from the side and from the ductwork. I pulled a duct loose at the plenum and reached up inside it and tried to make some videos and pictures and inspect the heat exchanger as best I could, and it looked okay. So hopefully we're not making this repair in vain, but we will do as the customer asked and do what we're hired to do and see if we can squeeze them just another year or 2 or 3 out of it, whatever they want to try to get out of it. And if it will fire up and operate safely, then we'll all be happy. So let's go take a look at it and get started on it. All right, so here's the Carrier gas pack that we're going to repair, or at least attempt to repair. There's the model and serial, and those 3rd and 4th digits of the serial is why I'm saying it's 18 years old. And we got the power off to it. So it is a little bit of trouble on these. You have to take an awful lot apart. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see, the way they bury this thing and in a tight spot, you can see where the induced draft motor is, behind all this, behind this. So you gotta take the gas line apart and take it out, take the burner out. There's a good bit to it. It's actually a real pain to change this, but we're gonna have to do it. So here we go. We got the burner out of the way, we got the big main electrical plate out of the way. And we come in here and find that we pretty much have nothing to bolt this back to. Look at that. So let's go get the customer and, without saying I told you so, let him see that I told you so.
Yeah. Here, tell you what.
All right.
Let me get out of your way.
No, it's going to take 10 seconds. All right, so as we can see here, I think we're going to be able to convince the customer that this is not something we need to repair. I'll go ahead and give them a price for a heat exchanger just in case they do. But I can certainly see that it's going to need that. Tubes may be okay, but the header here is certainly shot. So in my opinion, this is not feasibly economically repairable. So anyway, customer reported hearing some type of cling and clang and noise, and I'm thinking this maybe could explain some of that. But we're gonna have to talk to him about replacement here, so let's button this thing back up and at least get it in one piece, and we'll go talk to him. All right, so we gave him a quote for a new unit, and who knows, he may buy it from us, or he may look around and try to find one cheaper. We're by far not going to be the cheapest in town, and I have no interest in being the cheapest in town, so we give a good fair price for a good quality job, and we sell a premium product. So we don't get every job, but if we get that one, we'll get some footage of it. Take you along for the ride. So you saw that failed repair there. So unfortunately they got no heat for a day or two, but maybe we'll hear something from them soon. So let's go to the next one. Thanks for watching.